In this video, I'm going to show you how to obtain transcripts from NotebookLM audio overviews. So, as of right now, there's no direct way to do it. However, there is a workaround and I'm going to show you how to get it done. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, you want to add in a source. So I'm just gonna put one from my Google Docs over here, a random story I generated, there we go. And then once you've done this, you wanna press generate over here once you're happy with everything, and then wait for this conversation to be generated. Once that's done, as you can see over here, it generated some audio. You wanna go over here to those three dots and you wanna click on them and then press download. Now this will download your audio from here, and then what you want to do is then add another source. So click add source and then drag and drop this new thing in here, so the generated audio, and then this will start loading in over here. This may take a few seconds as well, and then once that's done, as you can see, it's still processing. There we go. Now once this stops loading, you can simply click on that, and as you can see, you will then be able to see a transcript over here. So you can see the entire transcript of the full conversation, which you can of course copy and paste into whatever you would need. So unfortunately, you can't simply just download it. You have to download the audio, upload it again, and then you'll be able to see your transcript. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.